Good evening, everyone. It is an absolute honor to welcome you all, respected policymakers, regulators, industry pioneers, and fellow visionaries to session 3 of the CNBC TV18 Banking Transformation Summit, proudly presented by Nucleus Software. Tonight, we are not just hosting a summit, we are continuing a mission to transform banking into a powerful force of financial services that not only supports but actively builds Bharat's future. Let me begin with a quick recap at how we have done so far. In Season 1, we explored how India's financial sector could support the nation's ambition of becoming a $5 trillion economy. We spotlighted the rise of digital platform, Aadhaar integration, and real-time payments, concepts that at that time were emerging. Fast forward to today, and that vision has become a reality. UPI now accounts for over 84% of India's retail digital payments. India contributes nearly 48.5% of global real-time payments, making us a global benchmark in digital banking. That's the legacy of Season 1, ideas that spark systemic change. Then came Season 2, titled Bharat's Ascent, Roadmap for Amrit Kal. We shifted our lens from growth to inclusion, from infrastructure to impact. We asked, how can innovation empower not just metros, but the heartlands of India? And the results speak for themselves. In August 2025, UPI hit a historic high, 2001 crore transactions worth rupees 24.85 lakh crore. That's over 7,500 transactions per second, powered by over 500 million active users, many of them from rural and semi-urban India. The digital adoption across Bharat is not just growth, it's transformation. And now, we arrive at Season 3. Our theme this year, Banking That Builds Bharat, AI-powered, credit-driven, is a call to action. Because Bharat today needs more than access, it needs empowerment, it needs credit that is intelligent, inclusive, and accessible at scale. And that's where AI becomes the game changer. AI allows us to assess risk where data is thin, to approve credit where paperwork is missing, and to understand customer intent where history is limited. According to the RBI's recent papers, AI-led underwriting is already improving decision accuracy, reducing NPAs and expanding credit into previously underserved sectors, especially MSMEs and informal borrowers. And that isn't just about speed, it's about scalability with responsibility. Guiding this transformation are the RBI's free AI 7 sutras, principles that ensure that AI is fair, responsible, explainable, ethical, accountable, inclusive, and transparent. These sutras provide the framework for scaling AI-driven credit responsibly, ensuring innovation empowers every Indian while safeguarding trust and stability. At Nucleus Software, we are proud to be part of this revolution. We are powering AI-driven lending platforms, enabling real-time credit decisions, and helping banks expand reach with agility and trust. But let's be clear, technology is just one part of the puzzle. To truly build Bharat, we need a threefold alliance. Banks and NBFCs as the engines of delivery, technology partners as the enablers of innovation, and regulators as the guardians of stability and trust. Together, this triad forms the foundation of a financial ecosystem that is not only resilient but relevant to every Indian. And in this context, it is a privilege that we will shortly hear from Sri M. Rajeshwar Rao, Deputy Governor of the Reserve Bank of India. We'll be keen to hear his perspective on how regulation is evolving to support digital innovation, AI-driven credit models, and financial inclusion. That will be invaluable as we chart the next phase of India's banking journey. Thank you for your most valuable presence here, sir. Later in the program, we'll also engage in a fireside chat with Sri M. Nagaraju, Secretary, Financial Services, Ministry of Finance, on how the government is steering digital public infrastructure, AI in governance, and next-level credit enablement for small businesses. rural sectors, and new borrowers further, eliminating that ecosystem that supports Bharat's growth. So, as we open the summit, I invite each one of you to make this more than a conversation. Let it be a platform for partnership, a stage for bold ideas, and a launchpad for action. Because the future of banking is not just digital, it is AI-powered, credit-driven, and purpose-built to serve Bharat. Let's create a system that scales for Bharat and globalizes India for every dream. Thank you for being here. Let's get started. Thank you.